Today is World Kidney Day. It is celebrated on the second Thursday of every March. The whole idea of celebrating World Kidney Day is to increase the awareness of kidney disease amongst the population. Kidney disease is a silent disease. It usually does not cause any pain or symptoms. That's why it's so important to increase the awareness about kidney disease. First of all, the people need to know who is more likely to develop kidney disease so that they can take care of themselves. So, people with diabetes, people with high blood pressure, those who are above 60 years of age are more likely to develop kidney disease. If we were to screen these people, almost 1/3 of these patients will have some extent of kidney disease. So, it's important to know and screen these people. It's important to know how to detect kidney disease. So, first of all, it can be detected with very simple tests. We need a blood pressure measurement, we need to do a urine test, and thirdly a blood test for a substance called serum creatinine, which can indicate to us how much is the filtration rate of the kidney. Once we have detected kidney disease, we need to understand why it's important to detect it early. If we detect kidney disease early, we can change the course of disease and the ultimate outcomes. Our main aim is to improve the quality of life here and to retard the rate of progression of kidney disease and not let it go to a kidney failure stage where people need dialysis or transplant. Lastly, if people have to know what can they do to prevent kidney disease, for the public at large, there are few important things that we need to understand. So, first of all, we should maintain a good lifestyle, eat a balanced diet, do not gain weight. If one is a smoker, it's important to quit smoking. Smoking is always bad for the kidneys. If one is a diabetic, one must control blood sugars regularly. If you have hypertension, please control your hypertension with medication. Please monitor your blood pressure so that it stays in the normal range. Lastly, also eat appropriately, do not gain too much weight, and it's important to maintain body weight because that in itself is bad for the kidneys.
Greetings on World Kidney Day. Every March on the second Thursday is celebrated worldwide as World Kidney Day. This is a day on which we try to increase the awareness of kidney disease in the general population, and from my perspective as a urological surgeon, my aim would be to promote the understanding that a lot of renal problems, kidney problems have a surgical basis which can be reversed. Chronic kidney disease is dealt with mainly by the nephrologists, which are due to a lot of medical problems, but there are certain urological conditions, surgical conditions such as stone disease, tumors, which also need to be considered, and if detected in time, they can be treatable and prevent further deterioration of kidney function. A lot of times undetected stones can progress to a point where the kidneys stop functioning, and it should be our endeavor to identify and treat those before they reach that stage. It is important for the general population to understand that kidney is a very important vital organ for the overall well-being of an individual, and its health needs to be preserved. So, it's important to maintain a good healthy lifestyle, well-balanced diet, and at the same time undergo regular tests such as a kidney function test or a urine test, just to understand and know that the kidneys are functioning optimally. A lot of times patients are detected with a stone or a tumor in the kidney just on the basis of a comprehensive health checkup that they undergo, and they without having any symptoms much before, because at times symptoms develop much advanced in a much advanced state of the disease, especially for patients who come with kidney tumors. By the time the kidney tumors produce symptoms such as blood in the urine or pain or a lumpy feeling in the abdomen, the disease is far advanced. So it's important to be undergoing comprehensive health checkups at least once a year, if not 6 monthly. So I hope with this small message, I would like to wish everyone a happy World Kidney Day. Thank you very much.